Welcome to Read Out Loud. Let's enjoy and have some fun. Hello kids, how are you today? Today we're going to learn about letter L. This is the letter L. The sound of letter L is L, L, L. L is for lion, lion, lion. L is for leaf, leaf, leaf. L is for lake, lake, lake. L is for lemon, lemon, lemon. L is for ladder, ladder, ladder. L is for lamp, lamp, lamp. L is for lips, lips, lips. L is for lamb, lamb, lamb. L is for lock, lock, lock. Great job! I think you're really smart. Let's do it one more time. Please repeat after me. Lion, lion. Leaf, leaf. Lake, lake. Lemon, lemon. Ladder, ladder. Lamp, lamp. Lips, lips. Lamb, lamb. Lock, lock. Great job, kids! You are really smart. Thank you so much. Always remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching Read Out Loud. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!